Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to rotate a video on your iPhone using iMovie. Everyone knows the feeling of taking a great video on your iPhone only to find that you are holding your phone in such a way that the video plays back in an orientation you didn't want. Thankfully, rotating your iPhone video can be done with the iMovie app from Apple, which is free to install on your iPhone if you don't have it installed already. Now let's walk through the steps to rotate a video on your iPhone using iMovie. Step 1. Tap to launch the iMovie app on your iPhone. The project screen opens, displaying all of your iMovie projects. Step 2. Tap Create Project. The new project window appears on the screen. Tap Movie. The moment screen opens, displaying the pictures and videos from your Photos app. Step 3. Tap to select the photo you want to rotate. A blue check mark appears in the lower right corner of that video. Tap Create Movie at the bottom of this screen after the video you want to rotate on your iPhone is selected. The My Movie screen appears, with the video you want to rotate displayed in the editing window at the top of the screen. Step 4. Place two fingers in a parallel position on the video in the editing window and then turn them 90 degrees in the direction you want to rotate the video. The video will rotate 90 degrees in the direction you moved your fingers. Repeat this process to get this video in the position you want it. Step 5. After you're done moving your video and making any additional edits to it, tap Done in the upper left corner of the screen. A preview of how your video will be output appears on the screen. If the preview video looks good, tap the Export To icon that appears in the row of icons along the bottom of the screen. A window flies up from the bottom of the screen with options for exporting your video. Tap Save Video in the bottom row. Tap to choose the export quality and size in the next menu. An exporting movie message appears with a progress bar. After the export is complete, a message appears saying your video was exported to your Photos library. You can now find your rotated iPhone video as your most recent addition in the Photos app. Let me know what features you're looking forward to most in the next iPhone in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.